In this video, let's talk about our 8x170 wheel spacers, safe on your Ford F250 and F350. Countless successful cases prove that the 8x170 wheel spacers are safe on the Ford F250 and Ford 350. Wheel spacers have easy and have been widely used for decades. When the lug nuts are properly tightened, a clamping force will keep the wheel and spacers secure to the corresponding hub assembly. This allows all forces to be transmitted to each vehicle's wheels and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, quality 8x170 wheel spacers won't break easily. What makes the safety Ford 8x170 wheel spacers? Both Ford 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum wheel spacers are available in bonus stock. From the most basic zero to X-ray drawing and mapping, bonus adopts a meticulous height and strength requirement. After the premium forging process, the strength is gradually improved. The 8x170 wheel spacers benefit from high precision. So far, bonus has maintained a tight tolerance at 0.02 mm. The more precise the contact face is, the easier they can sit first up against the vehicle hub and the wheel, and the less chance of vibration. Since the wheel studs and lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the 8x170 spacers and wheels, if the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support these forces, they will likely be bent by road impact. Safety, precision, durability, and the best experience are what set apart Bonus from other 8x170 spacers manufacturers. In addition, Bonus Ford FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat expansion grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat exchange effect and improving road safety. If you are looking for a good 8x170 wheel spacers, Bonus Ford FT cooling wheel spacers are worth considering.